up my mind, it must come to an end. Look at me now, will I ever learn? I don't know how, but I suddenly lose control. There's a fire within my soul. Just one look and I can hear a bell ring. One more look and I forget everything. Oh, oh, Mamma Mia, here I go again. My, how can I resist you? Mamma Mia, does it show again? My, just how much I missed you. Yes, I've been broken hearted, blue since the day we parted. My, did I ever let you go? Mamma Mia, now I really know. My, I could never let you go. Hi, I'm Vasco and today I'm going to show you how I'm playing Mamma Mia by ABBA in the original key on a high G string ukulele. So grab yours and let's go. Alright, we start with the intro, which after that we're using for interlude and for outro as well. It is basically just going between D and D augmented. Alright, we just put the middle finger here on the 3rd fret of the G string. Alright, and what I'm doing here is I'm accenting on the A string, G string. With this movement, with these two fingers, with the pointing and the thumb. And then is the verse, which starts with D, quickly to A, back to D, right? I've been cheated by you since I don't know when. And here on G, I'm doing a little element. So I'm playing one down strum, and then on the C string, 2, 2, 4, 2, 2, 2. And on the E string, 3, 3, 2, C string 2, 2, 2, right? I've been cheated by you since I don't know when. But I made up my mind, it must come to an end. Alright, and in this song, in order to understand it better, we'll split the verse in two parts and the chorus as well in two parts, because they're basically, I don't know, I see it like that and I think it's easier to explain that way. So this was the verse A. We repeat 2 times the verse A and then we go to verse B, which starts again with D to D augmented. Look at me now, will I ever learn? I don't know how, but I suddenly lose control to G. There's a fire within my soul. And here on the A, we're doing one full bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. And then here we have quickly G, D, A, 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 A. G, D, A, 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 A. Oh, oh. All right, so let's go through the whole verse. I've been cheated by you since I don't know when. But I made up my mind, it must come to an end. Look at me now, will I ever learn? I don't know how, but I suddenly lose control. There's a fire within my soul. Just one look and one more look and I forget everything. Oh, oh. And here we enter the first part of the chorus. Mamma Mia, here I go again. With D, I'm trying to be a little bit more quiet on this one, right? Mamma Mia, here I go again. And here we have something interesting. My, C to G, but the C is coming on the second time if you count it, right? So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then a little bit more G. Mamma mia, does it show again? My, just how much I missed you. Right? So we repeat these 2 times and we go to the second part of the verse, which is D. But here I prefer to play the D with open A string. Yes, I've been broken hearted to A. And here we have B minor. If that's complicated to you, maybe you can grab B minor 7 just barring on the 2nd fret. Blue since the day we parted to F sharp minor. And here we have again this C to G, where the C is coming on the 2nd beat of the bar. My, and here, did I ever let you go to A? And then again, Mamma mia, D to B minor. Here I go again. My, did I ever let you go? And here we go to the interludes. Alright, let's go through the whole thing together right now. A little bit slower than the original tempo. Starting with the intro. I've been cheated by you since I don't know when. But I made up my mind, it must come to an end. Look at me now, will I ever learn? I don't know how, but I suddenly lose control. There's a fire within my soul. Just one look and I can hear a bell ring. One more look and I forget everything. Oh, mamma mia, here I go again. Mama, how can I resist you? Mamma mia, does it show again? Mama, just how much I missed you. Yes, I've been broken hearted, blue since the day we parted. Mama, did I ever let you go? Mamma mia, now I really know. Mama, I could never let you go. And after this interlude we have another verse, another chorus, and after the second chorus we go to the outro chorus, which is basically the same thing, just the chorus A, we're repeating it 4 times instead of just 2, and then we do the chorus B, and then we do this as an outro, and this is how the song ends basically. It will be easier to learn it if you have the printable in front of you. You can get it from the link in the description. Thank you very much for watching this. I hope it was helpful for you. Let me know in the comments below which song should I do next, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.